Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to change keyboard light color in Lenovo LOQ. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and come and open your laptop. Then you want to go and click on these two buttons, the FN button and the space bar. Once you click on these two options or these two buttons, you will turn on the light of your backlight of your laptop. Now, when you come and click on these two buttons again, the FN and the space bar, it will increase the brightness, decrease it, or even turn off the light according to which version do you use as a Lenovo laptop. Now, in order to have more customization, you just have to open the Microsoft Store, and you can do this by clicking on this search icon on the bottom left side. Then you want to search for Microsoft Store, just like so. Then open it. Then you want to search for Lenovo Vintage. Here is it. Then you want to go and click on Get. And after installing, you want to click on Open. Then click on OK. Then click on Yes. Then it will take just a moment to start. So now here for more controls, here you have the Lenovo Vintage. You can create profiles. You can even change the brightness. You can change the mode of the light. You can choose static, dynamic, light mode, or even use a specific profile in order to give you a specific pattern of lighting system in your keyboard on Lenovo. So you just have to scan your hardware just in order to confirm that you have a Lenovo laptop. Then here you have the software itself. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.